Welcome to Datanamics FICA Factory product demo video. To illustrate how FICA Factory works, this video will take you through the process of a business onboarding a new customer and conducting due diligence from a FICA compliance perspective through a seamless step-by-step workflow. FICA Factory is a digital end-to-end electronic FICA AML software solution that supports remote digital onboarding and verification of customers' required KYC information anywhere in the country, irrespective if a business is onboarding an individual customer or another business entity. FICA Factory can be configured to align with most businesses' risk management compliance program (RMCP) and can integrate with any rules engine, enterprise services bus, or workflow engine to trigger events. To begin, you will need to create a KYC portfolio by clicking on the Portfolios basket. Next, navigate to the Create KYC Portfolio button, where you will be required to give a name to the new customer portfolio you have created. Once created, you'll be required to provide certain details of the customer you are onboarding, including first and last name, valid ID number, email address, and mobile number. Once configured, the system sends an email to the customer that your business wants to onboard. Next up, it is the customer's turn. The customer's 13-digit ID number that was submitted is verified against data from the Department of Home Affairs. Next, a FaceTech 3D liveness session is done to prove that the individual UBO is alive. Once the 3D proof of life is successful, the 3D mapped face is matched against the 2D ID photo at Home Affairs to ensure that the customer is who they say they are. If Department of Home Affairs is offline, or if there is no match against the conducted facial biometrics 3D to 2D DHA, then the workflow can invoke authentication questions, which is based on the customer credit profile held on the bureau. The customer selects their current address from the list of addresses associated with them. The selected address is validated via verified third-party credit provider data. If the customer's address is not populated, the workflow will prompt the customer to enter a physical address and upload a proof of address document. Now SigniFlow's digital signature and workflow software steps in. A 3-step instruction page comes up, advising the customer which steps to follow next, i.e., complete all mandatory fields, and finally, sign the document to declare the information it contains is valid and correct. The document is opened, with all action options appearing in the top menu bar. The customer can either scroll or click on the blue arrow on the right of the document to go to the first actionable field. In this case, the customer needs only to sign the document. By digitally signing the document, the customer declares that the information provided in it is true and correct to the best of their knowledge and belief. The customer signs the document by clicking on the Sign Here block. The system captures the customer's signature, and they can then close the browser. Once all necessary workflows are completed, a customer compliance report is immediately available to the customer that the business has just verified. The compliance report includes the Home Affairs identity verification results, including names, date of birth, age, gender, citizenship, and deceased live status. Also included are the customer's past addresses and the address they selected as current. If a street view of the address is available, this will also display facial match results, verified against data from the Department of Home Affairs. The customer's identity document photograph come up indicating matched if successful. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website.